Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix interaction menu not working on GTA 5 Online. In this video I will show you a couple of methods, so without further ado, let's get started. So first method, what you need to do here, you need to go to options, you need to go online, and then you need to leave GTA Online and basically go to story mode. And then you will be redirected to the story mode here. We need to wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up here to your basically character on story mode, and then after it loads up, then we need to go back on online, and then you need to press play GTA Online and select and press go. And then after you basically do this method, your interaction menu should work. So let me load it up. Let's wait for a couple of seconds until basically my GTA Online mode is on, and then I will show you that it works. And guys, if for some reason it's not working, I will show you another method here. So let me load it up. We need to wait for a couple of seconds. I know why it's so slow, but we just need to wait here. So I just load up, and if I press M, as you can see here, my interaction menu is working. And if for some reason for you it's not working, then what you need to do here is to go to your online mode here, and then you need to swap character on GTA Online here. So swap your character here, and then after you swap character, your basically interaction menu should work. So what you need to do here on this window here, if you don't have a second character you just created, just press on the button that I showed you here, and then you can create a new character. So let's select this one, and after you swap character, your interaction menu should work if the second basically method is not working for you, right? So that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.